Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for AVAX hype and Dogecoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna start here with AVAX on the 4 hours chart, where we have a 1, 2, a wave 3, 4, and a 5 unfolding toward the downside. The wave 5 is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. It's still requested, of course, one more wave 5 to finish up, of course, our counting here, and potentially finishing a wave C. Now, basically, if you have finished a W, X, and a Y, it is very likely that we have finished the move here as a W, X, and a wave Y. Your wave Y is, of course, a 3 ways down, 3 ways up, and then, of course, 3 ways down again. Meaning, of course, yeah, it's a little bit hard to consider a wave Y inside a wave Y, meaning 3 waves, yeah. It has to be, of course, as a wave Y, but basically, I would like to see, of course, 5 waves finished here, even in a wave Y there. Because as an ABC, of course, you want to finish the wave C in a 5 waves. Otherwise, this is another W, X, and a Y in a wave Y, which is not really so much often that it might happen. Yeah. So it's a very rare case. Basically, in case we are still looking for a wave 4 anyway here, the wave 4, of course, can be still unfolding here as a potential scenario here, ABC. Wave 4 in orange, getting, of course, here an ending, not ending diagonal, sorry, an impulse, yeah, as a large 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And this wave 4 is having the ending diagonal as a wave C. Yeah, so the wave C, rather than finish there, is still looking for higher, especially that we took the 886 here on the 1 hour chart, as you can see. So basically, I'm considering a 1, 2, and then wave 3, 4, and a 5 to reach the common target here for an ABC as 1 to 1 fib level, $10 and rounded. At the same time, 0.5 fib level for a wave 4, which it can be, of course, a common target as well in a deep wave 4, and then pushing it downward again for a final drop here for a wave 5. So this is, of course, my expectations for AVAX. Basically, this wave 5 can finish already inside this area here as a wave 5. It can be, of course, still going deeper, somehow reaching the 0.618, the fib time. Of course, as you know, we need still this fib time that it might range, and that's why we might start to range higher and then taking more time here to range for wave 5, and then starting the bull run, of course, toward the upside. This is regarding AVAX. Let's move for the next one, which is hype. For hype on the 4 hours chart here, we are looking at something pushing for higher after a W, X, and a wave Y here. Or I would say even ABC can be clearly finished as well here in a wave 5 in the white scenario. Wave C also can be done. That means you are looking for something towards the upside here. Can be a double 1, 2, 3, and then wave 4 is very long in time here. This, of course, cannot be a wave 5. If we dive inside it, you have 3 waves zigzag, meaning this as a timing for wave 4 as alternation with wave 2, it doesn't match at all. Yeah, so very likely that we might be in an A here, and this can be a W, X, and a wave Y as a wave A, B, and we're looking for a wave C toward the upside. In both case scenarios, anyway, since no invalidation has been taken for the bullish, in case it is a wave 4 or a wave B, we might still be looking, of course, for a wave C toward the upside. Now, the target, the blue zone, is the upper side, of course, because this blue zone can still be, of course, but you're talking here about the most common target, $42. Therefore, I'm going to take it to the upper side here, meaning starting from the $42 can be, of course, our target for a wave C or a wave 3. Yeah, so, but wave C can be finished at the 1-to-1 here. And that means, of course, after the 3 waves, you might still expect one more downside, of course, trend here to finish up the final structure for hype here, in case we still, of course, in something deeper, meaning like 3 ways down, 3 ways up, and then pushing downward. Unless, of course, this will continue impulsively in wave 3, 4, and a 5, but you are requested here to have a 4 and a 5. And in this way, of course, you are talking here about a new all-time high in a wave 5 to finish up, of course, for hype here, a big trend that it might be unfolding as ABC or as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the upside. Yep, so this is regarding hype. Of course, we are looking for a wave C potentially. The target also for this wave C, in case we are done here within this wave B, as we're talking here, you are talking about, of course, the regular flat here, since you are in the three ways potentially. Regular flat can be, of course, around this target, yeah, $131 for hype. Yep, so this is regarding hype. And the next one, we have Dogecoin. Now, Dogecoin is a little bit tricky here. So I'm going to start on the 4-hour chart as well. But we got to be careful, of course, with Dogecoin here. In case we are in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 diagonal, the diagonal can be done and finished. Yeah, so this is very likely to be done and finished. Especially that internally, I start to see something very interesting, and I'm gonna explain it. So let me also push a little bit backward here. So basically, for Dogecoin, we might have top tier in wave 3, and you might be in a kind of like 3 waves, WX and a Y, or you are in an A, B, C, D, and an E here. By all means, you might have finished here potentially. In case you are in a wave C, you have finished the A diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Unless, of course, we have something as an A, B, and a C. It can still be unfolding something for lower, but unfortunately, I see it finished. Yeah, so especially that the 1-to-1 fib level is hit here. So Dogecoin can be done here with a move toward the downside. We have finished the counting, guys. Knowing that, yeah, I know that this looks like 3 waves, perfect 3 waves. But what I think is going on in Dogecoin here is a leading diagonal wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah. Why I think so? Because invalidation of bearish is taken. In case we are in a wave 4 within this blue count, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, it took the invalidation. Yeah, so we hit the zone 1. Therefore, it is very likely that we finished a W X and a wave Y here. The W is 3 ways down, the X is very fast, and the wave Y is 3 ways down. Finished, we push for higher here in a potential leading diagonal. And therefore, yeah, very likely that we have bottomed for Dogecoin here. Now, does that apply for all the altcoins? Well, I doubt it still. We'll see, of course, guys. If this is the case, well, the scenario is there for all the altcoins, by the way, because most of them are looking for the 1-to-1 fib level here. But if we break it, this is our signal, of course, for something bullish there, unfolding for the altcoins as well. So we'll see if this is going to happen. If this is leading diagonal, will lead to a wave 1 and then wave 2 and then 3, 4, 5. Well, that's it, of course, the scenario for something bullish that it might be unfolding. So I'm going to put here a scenario 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and I'm going to put it in yellow round color because, of course, it might be a large move here for the Dogecoin. Yep, so these are the updates for AVAX, Hype, and Dogecoin. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.